I was a concern the issue of Galamsey. Okatakyie Afrifa mensa bones. Also there be. Ontimi ntena enhwe. Emma Galamsey ensey ensase ensey ensu anya kakwa hwe ye be import ensu abagan na ababenom. It on that note no. We are launching a very big demonstration against Galamsey that will happen in Ghana here. It was a enyasem kuma no be fire for Fosukwache. John Mahama any NDC so far as Galamsey is concerned. Now face so as someone Kwame Plus ebe kan say Attorney General a mistake or be exposed no Afrifa abe react to that. Aha you Penyah block media. Mess of sending them or better I keep video down or subscribe button so. Now back like notification and latest updates. Now back to the wide that mammy ever comments and so baswa. No she be them for so any biashe. It concern the issue of Galamsey Busia and has become an albatross around our neck. And the president putting every measures and means together to combat this catastrophe. But I say Abigu Ghana so AD nyano. Abino airborne homo. As a Brovida Metro say even the blue water garden abino form you know. Now no a graduate as Ombe forest side one more. Ako combat Galamsey yes. Go back.
Hey, I know. Let me
Yes, a nice initiative. Now, on that note, no, on the Galamsey and same year, no, Felix Fodukwache, Timon MPP are buying to sono. Just a Okasa be a Casa Quine be no qua. And never be no quine ye. It's a good for him to Galamsey as Emma even sound crack as President. I would to me between now occupy a to Galamsey, just a Galamsey dear. Samijan fee, na Ujan and Suo a press conference on Galamsey. Just say, oh, muye near man Casa in opposition. Honorable Christopher Black on our says so be what the name of Tata home.
The Pule River. We couldn't find hope anywhere. There was no succor, no solace. Everywhere we went to, this is Manfi. When we went to Prague, also Terry, the Odan River, no hope. And Cobra, Sylvan West. Then River Ofin. And this is the Bune River. So you see, this is what we are dealing with. It's only the Volta River that gave us a little hope. You know, even that we are hearing that it is just a matter of time, because the solar area, we are told that the white water is beginning to interface and defile the Volta River as well. So you see, the Ghanaian people seeing this, don't expect their leaders, all of us including all of us. This one is not, we don't have to, we all have to take collective responsibility. Because as Parliament, we are also approving these policies, these resource allocations, these institutions who come to report to us and justify why a certain allocation was properly utilized. We've been doing all these anti-galamsey operations for years, which this House has approved, running to billions. And every year we appear to be complicit somehow when we approve judicious use of the previous year's resources and then give the institutions more resources to go and stop galamsey. And yet this is where we are as a country. So we say, we want you to really profile.
Yes, sir. And I don't mean when say galamsey say yes, but interesting. There are two of them more as we might be silent on galamsey, but every facet they be on TSC. What best suppose you no as how launch galamsey fight.
Demonstration, you are born the rule. Set 28. Monsieur Omuchomuni Abetinia Pen. We will give them the biggest demonstration in Ghanaian history. Obi, Nanokre Womu Penny. 28th, you know, you best start the demonstration at 2 p.m. Then you had the solemn match when you're jamboree, when you're ninja, and you're Munkofa Brasman and Bra. We are in sorrow. If it's a sub-year, very existence as a people is being threatened. Nemo be so me and politics. And yeah, day. And I'm here and I'm so okay. I'm going to send this for any politics. Eti Yanshe say you can't draw money. A striker Ronaldo. Kwache. Sanam Freno. Abeku Kwache. Yenti Abeku Kwache. Yenti.
See that we should take politics out of this. I don't know exactly what they mean. So merely because I'm a politician, I belong to the NDC. When I see clear wrongdoing on the part of the government of the day, the government that people have voted for, entrusted with power and authority and the resources of this country, I see them fail at what I believe to be a relatively straightforward issue in dealing with illegal mining. Actually,
you accuse the NPP of making the fight difficult.
But absolutely,
then,
but is that not what has happened?
Come in and you also go on campaign. No. You make it difficult for them to fight it.
There's nothing I can see that can make this fight difficult for the president of Ghana, the government of Ghana, if he wants to deal with it. So I don't understand what the enemies.
So hold on. Pause. I agree with Kwache. 100%. There is nothing anybody can do that can make the fight against the galamsey difficult for the president. And he is right. In fact, he was right yesterday, and he is right today. So what is making John Mahama finding it so difficult? Kovi, say no be fighting galamsey. 3 months into the administration, 3 months, and people are saying, oh no, buy yen and chair yen and fire here, go see here. Na ensure no buy yen chair no. And young cobra river near 2 and Yoguma. Nano here also here say 1 year. 28 year Kobusano. Say Mr. President, catch the oh here how many years? Now what's media so big galamsey? The unwillingness, the unpreparedness of the political class, and no the deceitful nature of the political class, and only a person you call on the 28th. You cannot in one breath be saying that we are fighting galamsey. Meanwhile, we buy a gold board, galamsey board for year, but show me to do it. So yentia fellows of good sukwach and trust, yentia and trust, yentia and trust.
You see, one professor named my brother here, Kofi, say,
to fight it.
There's nothing I can see that can make this fight difficult for the president of Ghana, the government of Ghana, if he wants to deal with it. So I don't understand what the enemies concern. You see, and that kind of commentary is what enables the impunity that we are seeing. Because the government of the day that should be called out, singled out for blame, then takes cover under collectivity. Something, those of us sitting here, in what way can we stop galamsey beyond the public commentary we are running? Who has the resources? Why? We have a 15,000 strong army, an almost 40,000 strong police service, and other quasi security agencies. You are telling me that a state like ours cannot wage a relentless battle against some miscreants destroying our environment and win it?
Wait. Danny, follow the work that we are doing and post there. Or say a state like ours with 15,000 army, 40-something thousand police, blah blah blah. Other quasi security agencies. You can't quasi other subsidiary security agencies. Now what you know say cannot wage a war on miscreants. Miscreants. The English word the miscreant. So for instance, Okatakyie believe say or more say yensu through Galamsey activities. They are miscreants. They are misfits for the society. They are destroyers of our society. And they now he says that the only reason they cannot fight it is because other political actors are involved, deeply involved. No, he is right. In fact, he was right yesterday, and today the state of the Galamsey situation started here. The entire Mahama NDC fighting in 3 months is because the political class is deeply involved in 3 months. It's because the political class is deeply involved. Just as Felix Okatakyie was telling us, said the political class is deeply involved. The same way, and then this by the political class in the Dom Wajim. It's young Kony the Felix Okatakyie, Yentino.
And we can say our water bodies are restored.
First of all, I'm not sure that a timeline is necessarily the conversation we should have. I think it should be a lifelong activity. The point is that
as presidential spokesperson. In one breath, you are telling us a Kufadu Abaino. As what to me, a waging relentless war to clamp down Galamsey. And then you say, it should be a lifelong activity. So we should not put timelines to fighting Galamsey. Well, and a government spokesperson. It clearly should tell you, said your mom, if it's so be dia, and Kobefa no correct for 19 and so on Casa. So obe bua memone no kore mu a aka nipa odmedi nanim no ebe yi nipa obedi no kore a kire manfo etu oba ayo de ehwemu di wan no sesa no wo ma odo mu bua memu 2013 no ebe si ne no wan no sesa no eti so sesa wo mu dia na se dada no ye no ano anu wo ka ne hye ama ye kovi dada no a wo ka ne hye. And the chief of staff here the same. Chief of staff was one the boo and money in her. One also the boo back we had one coffee. Tis why not be so best, sir. And Kebian Kamanasa. Sanity, why? I've a young chief fellow for Squatty.
Stop wanting to do Galamsey. Every time that somebody plans to do Galamsey and actually starts doing it, it is the duty of the state to fight it. So to the extent that humans are such that they will always want to go and do something contrary to the law, we must remain eternally vigilant. What matters is that people see demonstrable commitments to fighting it. So that today, if you are engaging Galamsey, or I'm engaging Galamsey.
So hold on. Brofno Kaino. People see demonstrable commitment to fighting Galamsey. And no now 2 months for catching a month for say Oba LI 2462. Makwama Crofora Forest. O catch it say Oba be repeal. After you also amended. It's an only demonstrable commitment, you know. And then what demonstrates how you're committed towards fighting Galamsey. And then you wait. And Nipa Waba was say Galamsey waba betuasie. Adia ne nia brepa so fight here. Se beba Galamsey board. Se be ye ba ko tu Galamsey. Obi me no ka say. And you go board will issue statement me. You be read this statement no. No wa hwebone a me ka kire am say Sameja mfi through Jomama through Sameja mfi in the board e ba bedie. And nobody is minding me because of goodwill. Na time ye ne be ye ho so no. De enti o moye ne ntamo de ba ntamo ne say. Sa bre manfo no da so apena asem. Ti no de ba bia no mo hu. Ti o mo ne be ba mo so aye o mo fimfram. Sa good body. If you want some beba. One beba me ha. Ye be kan wasem. E beba won me nka bio. Say the Akufo-Addo ba ye. Or shall say so appointed 100 and something ministers. Now me the man the left right center do be na mo se me meka bi na mo se me nka bio. We ka. Yen chief fellow of Squatty.
I think that is what people want, rather than limiting yourself to say, in 2 months I will fight Galamsey. I'm not sure that is there.
We can say our water bodies are restored.
First of all, I'm not sure that a timeline is necessarily the conversation
Gobi, Felix was watching one kind of correct. You know, on kind of correct. I feel I say what people want is not some cogent measures to crack a radical. Never mono nipa can be mad, your mammy winnie. But I couldn't quasi prat. Mother, I'm a one dear, what would you do? Who got show? Mother, and the young tea, the quasi prat, catch your mamma. Never mono nipa can be mad, your mammy winnie. But I couldn't quasi prat. Mother, I'm a one dear, what would you do? Who got show? Mother, and the young tea, the quasi prat, catch your mamma. Yenti, the quasi prat, catch your mamma. If the quasi prat, maybe I want to me and fight Galamsey. And to us, you know, we're a useless government. These are the words, Yentino.
Any government which is not able to solve the problem of Galamsey is a useless government. We don't need that government. Any government which is not able to solve the problem of Galamsey is a useless government.
We don't need that government. Per the words of a women no kasai ne baba presidential staffer our presidency was this your mama and me fight Galamsey na me money useless government anya me na meka ana we you know baby eti anko kwasi you know baby no won no ne hu yi yey masa na eni baba konso won no ne hu or a middle class person ayi ni we nipa bebre no abu no your friend senyo hosi and the senyo hosi nso that and he say hey John hey malam yohani was it when you yentie senyo hosi yentie no
at the NDC when they were in opposition, I was part of those leading the charge on the Galamsey fight. We called out the president, and for which reason I said the president, the former president, probably the worst president we've ever had, because of Galamsey. They joined us. They talked about repealing the LI. They talked about the state of emergency. They've been in office, and I'm just waiting for that 120 days to come to an end. Mr. President, you must live by your word. You cannot speak poetry, opposition, and come and act prose when you are president. We expect a lot more from you in this fight. It's not about you, it's not about your tenure, it's about the future of our children and our children's children. And we expect you to hold the bull by the horn and act and deal with this matter decisively. We can't continue this way.
General, where is Senyo Hosi? Hey, now for the Kwanakra now. Obuawomo also on work as a do akwa ye anu tumbi aka seti akufo do bai enso ne wo bai ye rajo mama ne ne ye bia nche so be fight Galamsey ye wo twatro e hu ina mkaye Galamsey no 28th ye nyina de ani kire ye be hia wo Obra Sport na ya nantia for police headquarters ye be gina okakra is a police headquarters one ye see ebo mo say ebura bia ni mo ye wi ani afrosoro ho ye de awom ye ne Flagstaff so ye da hot 3 days madaroma kwinsi ye hwanso na be yi na ye yi a ye beto aso e be say yellow demonstration ye beto aso 1 month kwa ni atim NSAS demonstration 1 month kwa ni atim depending on said on be comport your mo and don be catch re enwura ba mu dia yantwe o intimidation dia yantwe enwura bia anim ba ma bia ni ho I'm telling you Kwame Nkrumah mu yebi jebi dan kwa mu yebi ye bedru ye yeso ye be yebi mensa saba mu Aborigines Right Protection Society na kwasi buroni akopase mraba se Crowns Act bill what they ba beje eye yensa ase egi Central Region then times Capecoast wojo mo sa ase nyina mensa saba sore na wote Aborigines Right Protection Society no se yemfa nsa ase ne mamu ne emfa mamu kina ene colonial masters ni ho nanso yanka se ye ho political class kovi and ye ni paboni funti and sase de man the next generation no mo so benefit o mo se da bi e be say no ye greed inti ye selfishness o mo so be say no it in the Generational Right Protection Society taking inspiration from Mensa Saba taking inspiration from Aborigines Right Protection Society yes we can say we cannot sit down stay aloof we cannot sit down unconcerned said the be yan crofo ye greedy e be say the next generation they belong to them. So Generational Right Protection Society, when we are dying, we will go on demonstration. We are protecting the rights of the next generation. We cannot be greedy. We cannot be selfish. We cannot continue to commit crime against the next generation. This is economic crime. Whatever we are doing is economic crime against the next generation. And some of us, we won't keep quiet. And no, I just did a for free. They are ready to support. Foreign media be free. They are ready to support. It's a way of crime against humanity. You're sorry, I need a cock up one way. Gobi, and a boko for an canocre. I can't say. Sorry, Nyaboko as Meka, the authorities, police administration. Woman can correct. Diakosu Boko no one can was.
And a concern as someone, Kwame Plus, Ebeka, say Attorney General a mistaken or be exposing no Afrifa I reacted to that.
Oh, he raise Attorney General
or say Attorney General almost why day. You're right, Dr. Yine, almost why a day. One day born in film. Kwame Plus, or bought Attorney General film. I want to talk court to them. And they
because Attorney General I am born in few one case of court.
Attorney General, what more born in film say? One more,
In November 2024, and listen to this carefully. The CEO of the National Service Scheme and others paid a Ghanaian MP to kill the story in the media and to defend it. Now this is a developing story, and more will come out very soon. We also have evidence that in November 2024, and listen to this carefully.
Attorney General, and was in November 2024, a Ghanaian MP, a sitting MP, a then a NSS, a Trianica, a Ghanaian MP, so on kill a story. And I don't know for today.
The baby has a me fade.
Where are Attorney General, the Bay press conference or can we in a year day?
So it almost say, as I'm walking the MP, is here.
Yes, you should MP no. MP Penyah.
MP
or kill a story. You try to come one more thing, and it will be so. Say a whole Attorney General can make such a vague allegation, and make Okasa MPC a corrupter. Ombaka Cherem a member of privileges committee. Meanwhile, Attorney General announced you MP. What you allege say you try MP so one kill a story. San walk and yes, sir. And I have a million of pedu. Now, Ubo Minu Plus, what's the market for today? A plus throwing to Attorney General say you are corrupt and a thief. If you joke with me, I will expose you. The A plus natural way against Attorney General. Hey, I can say now Attorney General want to make come once one court. Attorney General ko je dem dia do me phone dey busa enti dey plus tro yi o tro for Attorney General and Attorney General enti make am hey, but Attorney General is fighting corruption. And if somebody alleges, and this is not any somebody keke, honorable member of parliament, alleging that you, the Attorney General, you are not only corrupt, but you are a thief. Wow. Strong words. And the Attorney General is quiet. And this say, I do what say. What should I say? About 1 week. 10th May. And what should I? And I had a new Attorney General, a correlation. Don't make fun of the Saturday plus it didn't boy. Oh, David, so okay, so it becomes a turf war. So we put it 1-to-1. At the boom said, Attorney General Assembly kind, nay A plus and and a plus and so one will say Attorney General Bekansi who say dia what they are bono so you corrupt who you thief and Attorney General is not able to do anything. Wow. Attorney General Member of Parliament accusing Attorney General, the one supposed to fight corruption, so or you corrupt or you thief. Wow. Wow. No, but it's not a joke. In the history of this republic, even you can say Bakuya, Dami the Ukrainian say damn, but for Attorney General, Minister of Justice to be called a thief and a corrupt person, the person is supposed to fight corruption. He said, if you joke with me, I will expose you. Kwame Plus. And me knowing the brother I know, Kwame won't put these things out when we need maybe Jinasua. Akutia ni minura. Papa ni bo onu akutia. Eno na woka. Onyo na woka. Papa ni mo obi akutia. Do me market for na kan. Se wo bo na akutia. Nya no kore. Me defend me nua no nya no kore. Hey, sir. Obi ade omo. Hey, Attorney General. Oh wow. E bo no kwadu. Dr. Yeni. Dog is quiet. Why is he quiet? Now, why are you running? Hey, General. Attorney General, now you deal.
Chirawajo Mame, Ewo Commerce, 28th, 29th, 30th at the Jubilee Park at the Flagstaff House. Demonstration about Kosu then as I your Christian farmers sabons, any dear anymore. I would have been now and a bishia honor. Chirawajo Mame, Ewo Commerce, and how you pay your block media.